Join me as I take on the challenge of exploring the breathtaking Himalayas and uncovering the secrets of the Great Wall of the Indian subcontinent. The Himalayas are one of the most remarkable natural wonders of our planet, stretching across the Indian subcontinent like a majestic crescent. For centuries, this incredible mountain range has played a pivotal role in shaping the culture and geography of India, Nepal, Bhutan, and Pakistan. Its snow capped peaks, lush valleys, and picturesque villages have captured the imagination of travelers, naturalists, and spiritual seekers alike. The Himalayas face numerous challenges that threaten their very existence. Climate change is causing rapid melting of the glaciers, altering the delicate balance of the ecosystem. The surge in tourism has led to unchecked development, pollution, and habitat destruction. Conservation efforts are underway, but it is a daunting task to protect this vast and fragile landscape. The Himalayas are not just a natural wonder, they are also the source of livelihood for millions of people who call this region home. The fate of the Himalayas is inextricably linked with the fate of humanity, and it is essential we take action to preserve this precious resource. The Himalayas have been a cradle of rich cultural heritage with ancient legends, myths, and folklore woven into the fabric of local communities. From the mighty Mount Everest to the sacred Ganges River, each peak, valley, and water body has a story to tell. The region is home to diverse ecosystems ranging from alpine meadows to subtropical forests, providing a habitat for unique and endemic species like the snow leopard, red panda, and Himalayan monal. The cultural significance of the Himalayas extends beyond the Indian subcontinent, with the range influencing art, literature, and spirituality across the world. Legend has it that the Himalayas are the abode of gods and goddesses, where the divine and the mundane coexist. Local communities believe that the mountains hold the secrets of the universe, and many have spent their lives trying to unravel these mysteries. The Himalayas have been a source of inspiration for countless artists, writers, and musicians who have drawn from the region's vibrant cultural heritage. As we delve deeper into the heart of the Himalayas, we discover that this is a region where nature and culture intersect in profound ways. One of the most breathtaking experiences in the Himalayas is witnessing the majestic sunrises that paint the sky with hues of pink, orange, and gold. Standing at the edge of a cliff, feeling the icy wind on your face, and watching the snow capped peaks emerge from the darkness is a truly humbling experience. It's moments like these that remind us of our insignificance in the grand tapestry of nature. The Himalayas have a way of stripping us of our ego, of making us realize that there is so much more to life than our individual struggles and triumphs. As I reflect on my journey through the Himalayas, I am reminded of the resilience of the people who call this region home. Despite the challenges they face, they continue to thrive, to adapt, and to preserve their cultural heritage. The Himalayas are a testament to the power of nature, a reminder of the beauty and majesty that lies just beyond our reach. As we gaze upon the grandeur of the Himalayas, we are forced to confront our own place in the world, to re-evaluate our priorities, and to rediscover our connection with the natural world. In the end, the Himalayas are much more than just a mountain range. They are a symbol of hope, a beacon of inspiration, and a reminder of the beauty that lies at the heart of our planet. They remind us that even in the darkest of times, there is always something to be cherished, something to be protected, and something to be passed on to future generations. What do you think about the Himalayas? Have you ever had the privilege of visiting this incredible region? Share your thoughts and stories with me in the comments below. If you are new here, consider subscribing to my channel for more travel inspiration and cultural wonders from around the world.